In this video, we tackle the common issue of Microsoft Print to PDF not working on Windows 11 or 10 and provide practical solutions to resolve the issue. Follow the step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix issues related to printing to PDF using Microsoft built-in feature. We will explore troubleshooting steps, settings, adjustments, and potential workaround to ensure a seamless PDF printing experience. Watch the video to troubleshoot and resolve Microsoft Print to PDF problems, allowing you to efficiently create PDF documents on your Windows system. Step 1. Open Settings and go to Devices. Step 2. Select Printers and Scanners from the left sidebar. Step 3. Locate Microsoft Print to PDF in the list of printers. Step 4. Click on it and choose Manage. Step 5. Click on Set as Default to ensure it's the default printer. Step 6. If the issue persists, reinstall the Microsoft Print to PDF printer. Go to Settings, then Devices, then Printers and Scanners, then add a printer or scanner. Then select Microsoft Print to PDF and reinstall. Step 7. Ensure that the Print Spoiler service is running. Open the Run dialog, Window key plus R, type services.msc, locate Print Spoiler, right click and select Start. Step 8. If the problem persists, you may need to troubleshoot the issue or seek further assistance from Microsoft support.